Okay. So, SUPRA is very volatile right now. And not just volatile, but very emotional. Like the investors, the holders, believers, everything all above, they are, some are doubting, I want to say. Others are curious. Majority of them are probably scared. There's a lot of stuff going on, and the reason why I can notice that is because of these huge moves that's going on right now. Like, do you see how little candles, right? These candlesticks are small. As soon as we started turning bullish, especially this candlestick right here, the November 11th candlestick, as soon as this one turned green, we have been experiencing some massive moves from both up and down in a very short term length for SUPRA. You see how we dropped down to 14, we pumped up literally the next day all the way to 27. Then we dropped down all the way down to 18 again, back up to 29. It's the wicks per day on the daily are extremely long. Is it good or bad? It really depends on which scenario you're in, which seat, whether bullish or bearish. And if you're in the middle like me, where you are bearish whenever you're bearish, bullish whenever you're bullish, right? It really depends. There's opportunity. There's traders. There's a lot of people out there that swing trade, day trade, and just love this type of volatility. There is, I want to say, a big factor of why we are seeing this is definitely those that go off of just one single tweet about the token unlocks. It's going to be quarterly, but the token unlocks, there's the next one. If I'm not mistaken, it's tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say today's date. November 20th, 7 a.m. That is today. And let me tell you that I put into consideration everything about the token unlocks. Some people say I didn't. I did. I put it out there in a video. I recorded it. And let me tell you that I put it into consideration because we are too bullish right now. If we drop below the 1334, which right now it's about 17, give or take, if we drop below there, I want to say something big is coming because it's too bullish to stay bearish, or to turn bearish, I should say. Josh has already started sending out tweets, which ironically is around, I mean, well, not really ironically, but coincidentally, is around, it's been around these support zones of around 19, even down here 17. Like the whole overall, AutoFi and EVM fast, SUPRA's fast. And by the way, I'm seeing a lot of articles already in Google and just trending overall worldwide of SUPRA finally starting to hit first page, front page of multiple articles. So new eyeballs are coming on through, and it just started too. Majority of it is because of the $1 million bounty that he said, so that way it could get more exposure. That's another correlation to why we are seeing these huge spikes up and huge spikes down. So be very aware, it's very volatile. I sent out a tweet of me saying I'm buying at 0077, 0177. So that way, everybody knows that I'm buying. I put my money where my mouth is. I say it how it is. If I'm buying, I tell you. If I'm selling, I let you know. No trying to hurt nobody's feelings, not trying to doubt you, not trying to be against anybody. I respect whatever decision you have. I respect your technical analysis. There's thousands and thousands of ways to do technical analysis. Trust me, I know. And you just got to find your own little style, man. You do. And right now we are going to be more volatile than ever before. Expect that. It's going to happen. It's normal. It's going to be like that, and it's probably going to stay that way for a long time. It's too bearish for this to go down to all-time low. I don't see it unless one major long wick candle goes down, which, to be honest, that's going to be the hardest scalp there is going to be, because there's probably going to be bots or something trying to buy this right here, buy zones. So if it even goes back down like 17, I'm buying more. I'm pretty confident that If we start looking between 17, Josh is going to announce something. Like I said before, the only thing I don't want to see is SUPRA to do an X pattern again, like this right here. Then we would turn bearish. Then I would be like, okay, yeah, you know, we're turning bearish. I would start looking the other way around. I would start being, you know, transparent about us trending downward. I would give lower price targets, support zones, and stuff like that. But right now, it's too bullish. On the daily, key word, the daily is too bullish, okay? So be aware of that. The very long term, on the weekly, it's bearish, okay? So I'm gonna take advantage of what I can get right now at these cheap prices. My goal, and I'm gonna tell you straight up, I have been investing in SUPRA for a while, and I've been using free play money. Whether it's from airdrops or the stock market plays, or, you know, just overall free trading money, like I make 200% in a meme coin or wherever I can get my hands on, right? I've been putting in free money into SUPRA. My goal is to at least from where, because I did have my biggest position down here in the red zone. I want it to be to where if it is a 3x, minimum a 3x from this buy zone, which will be 2 zeros and a 3-9, once SUPRA is around here, which ironically is actually all the way right here at exactly my blue line. That's crazy. Once we are trading at my blue line, if and when we get there, I will sell half of my position so that way I can have the ultimate free bag in crypto, which SUPRA. So that's my goal. I want to 3x from where I position my biggest holding right here so I can sell at around 2.5 or 3x, give or take. Just let the rest of the tokens ride out for multiple years on end. If it goes down 4 zeros and a 1 or whatever happens, okay, it will not affect me one bit at all. That's the plan. I hope it plays out. I think it will play out. It looks too bullish right now. I feel like we may get up to 3.9 and then probably start trending back down. That's probably where we're going to start seeing a little bit of bearish action once we start seeing this blue zone being touched, give or take. So yeah, I don't know. That's way too in the future to be telling. But right now, the token unlocks is people are just watching some tweets, looking at token unlocks. They get scared. They sell their bags, and then people that are doing the research and actually doing technical analysis like me and stuff like that, here come that group of people where they just buy it up. That's why we're seeing them spikes as well. Like, people are buying knowing technology is great, tokenomics is fine, and the dev is good, $1 million bounty, a lot of reasons behind it. And then here comes 1 or 2 tweets, oh, token unlocks, it's scary, it's going to be dumping, it's going to be doing this. Or they start funding the dev or talking trash, and here comes the sellers and doubters. They start selling down. And here comes again the people that are here for the long term. They buy it all up and it spikes really hard. So it's just a battle between us two, just going back and forth right there at that support zone. So a lot of factors are into play right now. I want to know where you are at. So comment down below anything. I really do appreciate all the SUPRA community being just interacting, being helpful, great. Join the Telegram, follow me on Twitter. Go follow me as well on Coinmarketcap. I'm there, Crypto Audit King, one of the first 1,000 people out there to be able to just be a partner of them and being verified. So keep that in mind as well. I also do alerts. Look at that. I did the alert right there. Buying SUPRA bag at a support level of 00177. And it's already up about 8% in the green, which I will take, man. Like I said, once we hit this blue zone, I will be taking profits. And I'll let free money be free money, free ride. So yeah, that's the ultimate play right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in the next YouTube video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.